Everybody, my name is Laura. I'm the Director of International Admissions at Lewis University, a private university located just outside of Chicago. We're very excited to offer students many STEM designated programs like business, computer science, and aviation. We are one of the only universities in the US with our own operated airport on campus. If you're interested in learning more, please contact Seed Education. Thank you so much.
So today we're on the campus of Lewis University, which is about 50 kilometers from downtown Chicago, the third largest city in the United States. It's a small private university, but it offers a lot of very employable programs. You'll notice here on the sign that Lewis University refers to itself as, or students refer to themselves as the Flyers. And this is the reason for this is that one of the main programs for which Lewis University has historically been known is its aviation school. They have programs in commercial pilot training, aircraft maintenance, and even at graduate level aircraft management. And it's one of the very few universities that I am aware of that has a small airport physically on the campus itself. But in addition to its aviation programs, it has a wide range of business programs. Its computer science master's program was recently ranked by Forbes magazine as one of the 10 best in the United States, data science, and many more. With the business program, this is one of the most popular programs at Seed Education. The MBA program offered by Lewis is very popular with our students, and there are a number of reasons for that. Firstly, it is one of relatively few number of MBA programs that will accept a 3-year licence or bachelor degree as sufficient for academic entry. Secondly, it does not require the GMAT exam, and I know that for many students the idea of passing an additional exam is always something that scares them. Thirdly, it's affordable. That's always very important. But fourthly, it's an MBA program that offers a number of micro-credential options to students whilst they're studying. And as a lot of these micro-credentials are related to analytics, the MBA program at Lewis University has been designated as a STEM program. Now, STEM means science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And in this context, it's important because normally for international students, once they graduate from university in the United States and they wish to find a job, they are allowed to do that. And they have what is called OPT as an option, optional practical training. But in most cases, OPT can only last 1 year. And at the end of that 1 year, generally speaking, students either return home or continue with a further program of study, and then they can do another period of OPT. But with STEM majors, the advantage is that you get an additional 2 years. And so the great thing here is that from the MBA program at Lewis University, it is possible to then work for 3 years in the United States, gaining valuable work experience and, of course, earning what can be quite a decent salary. Here at Lewis University, as you can see, it's a very, very green campus. Right now is the summer vacation, so very few students around. But typically outside of, during the academic term time, there are around 7,000 students here, of which 1,500 students are international students. The majority of international students are currently at graduate level for master's programs, but of course there are also international students on undergraduate programs too. Lewis University is a university with a Lasallian tradition, that is a Catholic branch which really is there to encourage academic achievement. And so although the university is open to people of all faiths, the reality is that in my experience, Catholic schools are particularly strong for academic rigor, and therefore if you come here as a student, you will find the best possible environment for learning, small classes because it's a relatively small university, and there is a lot of tutorial and counselor support. So here I am on the campus of Lewis University. It's not a particularly attractive building, but in front of me is the back of the sports centre, where you've got a fitness centre and many other sports opportunities available free of charge to students. But the reason why I wanted to show you this is that here I am on the campus of Lewis University, and now as I turn 180 degrees, you see a large American Airlines plane there. Behind this brown building is where a lot of smaller planes are located. This is the airport physically on the campus of Lewis University, where the aviation students will do their learning.